me present to you number 19 Broadbeach Circuit, Sanctuary Lakes. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, double garage townhouse for lease and available now. So let's have a quick look. So this is in the Sanctuary Lakes, or one of the closed communities I should say, of Sanctuary Lakes. So it's a gated community, so there is a security guard on the door, so you need access to get in or out. Here's a control panel, so it's got a central alarm which is monitored by the local security. So come down the hallway here, here's your double garage. It's also got rear access. It's connected to high-speed internet, plus it's NBN due to be installed here soon. Here's a little study alcove here, so perfect for anyone working from home or kids that need to do their work, homework, etc. Another little hallway. Here is the powder room. So perfect. Here's your laundry with rear access, backyard and clothesline. So other features about this area, you do get access to the Sanctuary Lakes Leisure Centre. So here's the main living area / kitchen. You can see it's quite spacious, light and bright, so it is westerly facing, so you do get that afternoon sun. Here's your kitchen with stone bench tops. There's a central alarm, so as I said, it's monitored by the local security. Pantry, again, I'm gonna pan around. There's your dishwasher. So as I was saying, part of the features here is you do get access to the Sanctuary Lakes Leisure Centre, where it's got pool, gym, access, all part of the rent. It's all free and included. Here's a rear yard, so a little shed there, perfect for your lawnmower, snipper, etc. So nice yard. Poor grass doesn't appear too well, but all good. Just needs a bit of TLC and it'll be back. So again, so this is a reverse style living where all the living's down. Sorry, all the main areas are downstairs and upstairs is all your bedrooms. Staircase, which leads up to another landing, which could again be used as a study alcove. So here it is. Easily put a desk in here. Here's one bedroom. So it's got that outlook over the rest of the complex. And just behind them is the Sanctuary Lakes, or the lake itself. The shopping centre is not too far. Local schools, shops, everything is close by, walking distance. Second bedroom, it's got built-in robes, it's got ducted heating. Fortunately, this probably doesn't have any cooling, but with a portable aircon, you should be okay. So the toilet. Main bathroom, your separate shower and bath, and your main living room, sorry, no, main bedroom. Your walk-in robe, plenty of storage there, and here it is. So nice, light and bright. With a little balcony there. So great doing a tan like today. And here is the bathroom. So again, this property is available now and won't last long to be quick.